Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Naim. Our group members is Muhammad Nur Tafiz, Nur Aina Sofia, Wan Nur Yakira and Nur Naimi Afrina. Our topic is about financial accounting and reporting of Mnt Garage. Mnt Garage is a motorcycle workshop focusing in motorcycle modified maintenance service in Kampong, Kuala Lumpur.
Today, we will cover the introduction, business background, business characteristics, classification of business items, recording process, financial statements, strength and weakness, recommendation and conclusion.
I will present about introduction and objective of this assignment. The objective of this assignment is to understand the accounting process of Mnt Garage by observing how financial records are created and maintained in practical or business setting. We expected was to explore how repair work, spare part purchase, customer payment and daily operating expenses are recorded and how this record help the owner in managing workshop operation. However, information obtained is limited to document the workshop owner was willing to share. Some figures are wrongly and based on verbal explanation, especially for revenue that earned from repair service, parts usage and routine maintenance.
Next, I will introduce to you regarding our business background. First and foremost, our business name is Mnt Garage, and our type of business is sole trading. We are located at Kampong, Kuala Lumpur, and we started this business starting from 2021, and gratefully we are registered with SSM. Our first startup capital for this business is 50,000 Malaysian ringgit, and our business mainly focusing on motorcycle repair, maintenance service, engine and brake checks, and also replacement parts or restoration.
This business is owned and managed by Encik Tafiz Razzi. It is registered as a sole proprietorship, which means the owner has full control over the business. This type of business is easy to start and does not require high cost. The capital comes from personal savings and family loans. These funds are used to buy spare parts, workshop tools, and equipment needed to run the garage smoothly. As the sole proprietor, the owner carries unlimited liability. This means he is fully responsible for all debts and expenses of the business. Although this can be risky, it also shows his commitment and responsibility. Financial records are kept manually. The owner uses Excel spreadsheets, daily cash books, and service records to track income and expenses. This helps ensure that every transaction is recorded clearly. Next, all profits belong to the owner, and all decisions are made by him alone. This independence allows the business to be flexible and to follow the owner's vision. In conclusion, this business shows dedication, responsibility, and careful planning. Even though it is simple in structure, it can grow managed with discipline and passion.
Next, I will explain the classification of business item. First, let's look at the asset owned by the business. Assets are resources that have value and help the business operate effectively. Mnt Garage has equipment worth 20k, including workshop tools and repair equipment. The business also holds 10,000k worth of spare part inventory used for motorcycle repair and maintenance services. In addition, the company has 500 cash on hand available for daily operation and business expenses. The total value of asset is 35k. These assets are important because they enable the workshop to provide quality services to customers and generate revenue. Next are liabilities. Liabilities represent the business obligation or debts. Mnt Garage currently has 800 in supplier debt, which refer to outstanding payment owed to spare part suppliers. This liability will need to be settled according to the agreed payment terms. Moving on to owner's equity. Owner's equity represents the owner's investment in the business. In this case, the owner has invested 50k as initial capital to establish and operate Mnt Garage. This capital provides the financial foundation needed to purchase equipment, stock spare parts, and support business activities. Now let's look at the monthly financial performance of the business. Mnt Garage generates around 25k in monthly revenue from motorcycle repair and maintenance services. The workshop key monthly expenses amount to 9,800, which include rent, utilities, and mechanic salaries. The main services offered by Mnt Garage include engine repair, preventive maintenance, fault servicing, and motorcycle restoration. These services help meet customer needs while contributing to the company's revenue and business growth. Let's move on to the recording process that used by Mnt Garage. The business follows a basic accounting cycle to record and track daily transactions. First, source documents such as invoice and receipt are collected as proof of transaction. Second, journal entries are prepared to record all business activities including service, revenue, and expenses. Third, the transactions are posted to the ledger where they are organized into different accounts for easier tracking. Next, a trial balance is prepared to ensure that total debits and credits are equal. Finally, financial statements are generated to summarize the financial performance and position of Mnt Garage. This process helps the business maintain accurate records and support better decision making.
Next, I'll explain the financial statements produced by Mnt Garage and its strengths and weaknesses. Every month, the business prepares 2 financial statements manually using Excel. The first is the income statement, which calculates the workshop's net profit after deducting operating expenses such as wages, spare parts, utilities, and other costs. The second is the statement of financial position, which shows the company's assets, liabilities, and owner's equity to reflect its overall financial health. As for the strengths, the workshop has well-monitored operations, good cash flow understanding, and flexible decision-making because the owner manages the business directly. However, its main weaknesses are the lack of a formal workshop management system, the risk of manual recording errors, and heavy dependence on the owner for daily operations.
I will explain why Mnt Garage should upgrade the digital accounting. The workshop currently uses a manual system. It will fine, but it takes time and can lead to mistakes. By adopting a simple digital accounting platform, owners can improve accuracy, save time, and support the workshop growth in motorcycle repair and maintenance service. First, digital accounting reduces error. Automate calculation help avoid manual mistake in job cut, invoice, and service record. This means less confusion and more reliable data. Second, it allows faster reporting. Owners can instantly generate income statement, service summarize, and stock report. No need to calculate everything by hand. Third, it ensures better compliance. It becomes easier to meet SSM and HDN reporting requirement for owners, automotive workshop. So our recommendation is clear. Go to digital. It will make owner operation smoother, more accurate, and ready for future growth. In conclusion, Mnt Garage show that the motorcycle workshop can keep accurate financial record to support daily operation. Using digital accounting help record service transaction, control costs, and monitor profit more easily. It's a smart step for better accuracy, faster reporting, and long-term growth.